Hi, welcome to the Crafty Manatee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a slip knot. This is the first episode of my new series here designed to teach you how to crochet as an absolute beginner. This series is going to take you through all of the things that you need to know to start crocheting one step at a time. And at the end of this series, I'm going to be showing some easy patterns that you can get started as your first crochet project. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more crochet patterns and tutorials, and share this video with a friend who you think might also like learning how to crochet. For this tutorial, all you're going to need is some yarn. I'm using this worsted weight yarn here, and then you'll also need a crochet hook. The size of your crochet hook is going to be determined by what yarn you use, and as you can see, the packaging will show you. So we have this little crochet hook here, and our yarn is saying that we need a USI, or a 5.5 millimeter hook, which is exactly what we have here. To make a slip knot, we are going to pick up our yarn in both hands, and as you can see, we have one end here that is the end of our yarn strand, and the other end here is still attached to our yarn ball. So we have these two sides, and we want to pinch the side that is not attached, this farthest end, with our thumb, and then we're going to make a loop around like this. And we're going to pinch that with our thumb here to hold it in place. And then reach two fingers through the loop we've made, pinch the remaining yarn, and pull through. So we're just pulling apart with both of our hands, and that is going to cinch up our knot. And the important thing about a slip knot for crochet is that we can tighten it on to our hook. So by pulling on one of the yarn strands, it's going to cinch it onto our hook. I'll show you that one more time. So again, we are going to pinch the end of the yarn, make a loop going down and over and back up, reach through that loop, pinch the yarn, and bring our hands apart to cinch up that knot. And then we can insert our crochet hook through that big opening and pull tightly to close it up. And this is how we are going to start most of our crochet projects, is by making a slip knot onto our hook. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a slip knot to get your crochet project started. Make sure to stick around for more crochet beginner patterns and tutorials coming soon so that you can get started on your crochet journey. Thanks for watching. Bye.